एक और अहम खबर, आज पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल समिट 2019 का इफ्तिताह करने वाले हैं। इस दौरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी बैरूनी ममालिक से आए मेहमानों के साथ तबादला ख्याल करेंगे। वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल समिट में मुल्क के 19 सनतकार और बड़ी कंपनियों के सीईओ भी शिरकत कर रहे हैं। लाइव तस्वीर आप देख सकते हैं जहां पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त इस वाइब्रेंट गुजरात समिट में पहुंच चुके हैं। तो हम आपको बता दें,
We are honored to have with us today Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who conceptualized and created this event and transformed it into an economic expressway of India to inaugurate this 9th edition of Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. We also welcome President, Republic of Uzbekistan, His Excellency Mr. Shavkat Mirziyoyev, Honorable Prime Minister of Malta, His Excellency Dr. Joseph Muscat, Honorable Prime Minister of Denmark, His Excellency Mr. Lars Løkke Rasmussen, Honorable Prime Minister of Czech Republic, His Excellency Mr. Andrej Babis. The 9th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2019, the biennial event organized by Government of Gujarat to provide a unique forum for idea exchange, knowledge sharing, networking, exploring business opportunities, strategic partnerships, investment inflows, and setting the policy agendas to meet the current global challenges. The biggest event of global business opportunities in India, this is an event which has established a benchmark for corporate and social investments, an example of visionary approach of the Government of Gujarat towards inclusive and sustainable development by ensuring policy coherence and effective investment, promotion, trade and export promotion. We also welcome on the dais Honorable Governor of Gujarat, Shri O.P. Kohli ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Vijay Rupani. We begin this inaugural session with a song, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat, written by Veer Kavi Narmad, the famous patriotic poet of Gujarat. The song glorifying Gujarat will be rendered by world-renowned light vocalist Shri Prahar Vora, arranged by Chairman Gujarat Sangeet Natak Academy, Shri Pankaj Bhatt.